Okay, here's step one. Homemade pizza in the province. First thing I did was make the dough last week. Then I put it in the refrigerator for 3 days. Let it ferment. Then in the freezer. Once I'm ready for it, I pull it out, thaw it out all the way. Put it in this container here with a little bit of olive oil. And then I stretch it out. 100% semola from Italy. Sifted. And we're gonna make one Filipino mini pizza, one Neapolitan Italian pizza. Okay, now we gotta let the dough rise a little bit, and we'll be back. Okay, so I got number one made up here with tomato, Italian tomato, some sausage, mozzarella cheese, onion. Take her and put her in the oven. I'll do this with one hand if I can. Let's see. Catch it a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. Okay, voila. Two minutes. Okay, here's number two. Filipino pizza. Personal size. Filipino cheese, Filipino sauce, onion. Elizabeth. She doesn't like the Italian, so here we go. We're gonna cook a little mini pizza here. See what we can do. Okay, try not to burn Elizabeth. A little more picky with me. Looking good. So far. Okay, voila. There you go, his and hers. Filipino, Italian. Next time we'll show you how to make the dough.